Okay, hi, this is John Tyler. I'm going to bring a tutorial on how to hook up a laptop, which you see there on the sofa to the left on the left arm, how to hook that up to your digital TV. Mine happens to be hooked up now to a 65-inch RCA digital TV. And I have to go through step by step, which is real quick, and you can do this for about $20. So to me, it's worth it. Here again is a little tiny, I guess it's a 13-inch diagonally measured Dell laptop. Now the laptop does not have a VGA output, or this would have been real easy. It just has a, it does not have a HDMI output. It has a VGA only output. So I have to go from VGA output on a computer, whether it's a laptop or a desktop or whatever you have, into an HDMI input in the back of the modern day TV. And when you do that, you can put your little laptop up there on your big TV. I happen to run my little laptop now from my easy chair in the living room. Okay, so from here, you can see the back of my computer. There, first of all, that line, that red and black line way over there that goes up to the TV, that's the only line you need to concern yourself with for now. That is the HDMI cable from the TV down to, you see that white box right there? Well, that is a GANA brand, I guess, mini converter that converts VGA into HDMI. You need to have that. I found that out the hard way. So here's the deal. The VGA cable, let me move in a little closer now. Oop, sorry about that. That VGA cable goes into the converter. This little white button here is the it is a USB input to power up that mini converter, and to the right is the VGA cable that is right here coming out of the computer, the laptop. That is just the power button, excuse me, sorry for that, the power button for the laptop. I shouldn't say power button, power cable. Okay, so back to the converter. So you've got the VGA input here. The top little white one is a wire that comes with it anyway, and that goes over to your speaker in the laptop, so that on your big TV you'll get the sound and you'll get the video. So basically that's all you need to do. I had to buy that cable, for VGA cable, to run from my computer laptop over to this. I think that was $6 at Walmart. You have to order it online. Then the Gana Mini VGA 2 HDMI is the model number of that. That was like $6.84. And it comes with the 3 wires. It comes with the USB wire, the cable wire, and I guess that was it. So anyway, that's all you have to do. Hook it up like that, and then when you run your computer, your laptop, it'll ask you for the Wi-Fi address, maybe, and you just click on that and boom, you're online.